Struggling with money? Broke Millennial by Erin Lowry is your ultimate guide to taking control of your finances, even if you're living paycheck to paycheck. Learn practical tips to manage debt, save smart, and finally start building the wealth you deserve. In this Money Smart Basics, we will dive into Broke Millennial by Erin Lowry as your ultimate guide. Learn to budget, save, and tackle student loans with ease. Start building your financial foundation today. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics for our next video, please leave a comment. By clicking on the affiliate link to purchase the book, you're helping support this channel at no extra cost to you. Thank you for your support. Erin Lowry's Broke Millennial isn't just another personal finance book. It's a lifeline for a generation grappling with student loan debt, stagnant wages, and a volatile economic landscape. The book dives deep into the financial struggles that many millennials face daily, offering not just solutions, but a sense of hope and direction. In 2024, its message of financial empowerment is more critical than ever. With the economic uncertainties brought about by global events, understanding personal finance has never been more essential. This book offers practical, relatable advice, helping millennials navigate the complexities of personal finance. It breaks down intimidating financial concepts into manageable steps, making it easier for readers to take control of their financial future. It provides a clear roadmap to financial freedom, addressing the unique challenges faced by young adults today. From managing student loans to understanding investment options, Lowry covers it all. Lowry's approach is refreshing and accessible, ditching complex jargon for straightforward explanations. She uses everyday language and relatable scenarios to make the content engaging and easy to understand. She understands the struggles of living paycheck to paycheck and the overwhelming feeling of debt. Lowry doesn't just sympathize, she offers actionable steps to break the cycle of financial stress. The book doesn't just tell you what to do, it explains why it's important, empowering you to make informed decisions. This understanding helps readers feel more confident and in control of their financial choices. Lowry's engaging style makes learning about finances feel less like a chore and more like a conversation with a trusted friend. Her anecdotes and real-life examples make the lessons memorable and applicable. Broke Millennial tackles the emotional and psychological aspects of money, recognizing that our financial decisions aren't always rational. It addresses the mental barriers that often prevent us from making sound financial choices. It delves into the anxieties and insecurities surrounding money, offering practical strategies for overcoming these hurdles. By addressing these emotional aspects, Lowry helps readers build a healthier relationship with money. The book encourages readers to confront their financial fears head-on and develop a healthier relationship with money. It provides tools and techniques to manage financial stress and build confidence in handling money matters. This book is a must-read for anyone, not just millennials, who wants to take control of their finances and build a secure future. Its lessons are universal, applicable to anyone looking to improve their financial situation. It provides the tools and knowledge to navigate the often confusing world of personal finance. From budgeting apps to financial seminars, Lowry covers a wide range of resources to help readers stay on track. Lowry's relatable anecdotes and real-world examples make the concepts easy to understand and apply. Her storytelling approach keeps readers engaged and motivated to take action. Broke Millennial is a practical guide to achieving financial freedom in today's challenging economic climate. It equips readers with the knowledge and confidence to make smart financial decisions and achieve their financial goals. Broke Millennial starts by demystifying the world of personal finance. It breaks down complex topics into bite-sized pieces, making them accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial background. Lowry explains the basics of budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management in clear, concise language. She empowers readers with the knowledge they need to make informed financial decisions. The book emphasizes the importance of understanding your current financial situation. This involves tracking your spending, analyzing your income, and identifying areas where you can cut back. Lowry provides practical tips for creating a budget and sticking to it. She encourages readers to take an honest look at their spending habits and make necessary adjustments. Lowry also addresses the emotional and psychological aspects of money. She acknowledges that our financial decisions are often influenced by our emotions and past experiences. The book explores the psychology of spending and saving, helping readers understand their own financial behaviors. By recognizing these patterns, individuals can make more conscious and rational choices with their money. Understanding your financial landscape is the first step towards achieving financial freedom. It allows you to identify your financial strengths and weaknesses, set realistic goals, and develop a plan to achieve them. Broke Millennial provides the tools and guidance to navigate this process effectively. It empowers readers to take control of their finances and build a more secure future. Debt is a significant obstacle to financial freedom, and it can feel overwhelming when you're buried under a mountain of bills and financial obligations. Fortunately, Broke Millennial provides a comprehensive guide to tackling it head-on, offering practical advice and actionable steps. Author Erin Lowry outlines various debt repayment strategies, including the snowball and avalanche methods, which can help you systematically reduce your debt. She explains the pros and cons of each approach, helping readers choose the best strategy for their individual circumstances, whether they prefer quick wins or long-term savings. The book emphasizes the importance of creating a realistic repayment plan and sticking to it, ensuring that you stay on track and make consistent progress. The book also delves into the psychological impact of debt, recognizing that financial stress can take a toll on your mental health. Lowry acknowledges the stress and anxiety that debt can cause, and she offers compassionate advice for managing these emotions. She provides practical tips for managing these emotions and staying motivated throughout the repayment process, such as practicing mindfulness and journaling. Broke Millennial encourages readers to view debt repayment as a journey, not a destination, emphasizing the importance of perseverance and resilience. Celebrating small victories along the way can help maintain momentum and build confidence, making the journey more enjoyable and rewarding. Lowry provides specific advice for dealing with different types of debt, including student loans, credit card debt, and medical debt, each with its own unique challenges. She offers practical tips for negotiating with creditors and exploring debt consolidation options, which can simplify your repayment process and potentially lower your interest rates. The book also emphasizes the importance of understanding the terms and conditions of your loans and avoiding predatory lending practices, which can trap you in a cycle of debt. Broke Millennial empowers readers to take control of their debt and break free from the cycle of debt accumulation, providing the tools and knowledge needed to succeed. It provides the tools and knowledge to develop a sustainable debt repayment plan and achieve financial freedom, allowing you to build a secure financial future. Lowry's compassionate and practical approach makes the daunting task of debt repayment feel manageable and achievable, giving readers the confidence to take control of their financial lives. Section 4. Budgeting Basics. Taking control of your finances. In this section, we delve into the essential steps you need to take to gain control over your financial life. Budgeting is the cornerstone of financial stability, and Broke Millennial provides a practical guide to creating and maintaining a budget that works. By understanding where your money goes each month, you can make informed decisions that lead to financial success. Lowry emphasizes the importance of tracking your spending and identifying areas where you can cut back. This awareness is crucial for making adjustments that can free up funds for more important financial goals. She offers simple yet effective budgeting methods, such as the 50/30/20 rule, which allocates 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. This method provides a balanced approach to managing your finances. The book also discusses the importance of setting financial goals. Without clear goals, it's easy to lose sight of what you're working towards and why you're making certain financial sacrifices. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, paying off student loans, or building an emergency fund, having clear financial goals can provide motivation and direction. These goals act as a roadmap, guiding your financial decisions and helping you stay focused. Lowry encourages readers to break down large goals into smaller, more manageable steps. This approach makes daunting financial objectives feel more achievable and less intimidating. This makes the process less overwhelming and increases the likelihood of success. Celebrating small victories along the way can also keep you motivated and committed to your financial plan. Broke Millennial addresses the common challenges people face when budgeting, such as unexpected expenses and impulse purchases. These hurdles can derail even the best laid plans if not managed properly. Lowry offers practical tips for dealing with these challenges and staying on track with your budget. Utilizing tools like budgeting apps can help you monitor your spending in real time and make necessary adjustments. She emphasizes the importance of flexibility and adaptability, recognizing that life rarely goes exactly as planned. Being able to adjust your budget as circumstances change is key to long-term financial success. Budgeting is not about deprivation, it's about making conscious choices with your money. It's about prioritizing your spending in a way that aligns with your values and long-term goals. It's about aligning your spending with your values and priorities. When your financial decisions reflect what truly matters to you, managing your money becomes a more fulfilling and less stressful experience. Broke Millennial empowers readers to take control of their finances and create a budget that supports their financial goals. By following the guidance in the book, you can build a financial plan that not only meets your needs, but also supports your dreams. It provides the tools and knowledge to build a solid financial foundation and achieve long-term financial security. With the right strategies and mindset, you can transform your financial future and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with financial stability. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promise. Struggling to save as a millennial? Here's a quick tip. Consider tracking your expenses with an app. It'll help you see where your money's going and spot areas to save. Give it a try and watch your savings grow. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics for our next video, please leave a comment. By clicking on the affiliate link to purchase the book, you're helping support this channel at no extra cost to you. Thank you for your support. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like, subscribe and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos.